At ASML, our machines are changing the world as we see it today.
Our machines are the very foundation of the semiconductor industry. We are constantly redesigning,
reimagining,
pushing the boundaries of science, business, and technology.
We are creating microchips that are smaller, faster, more efficient, from automotive,
computers,
smartphones,
data centers,
medical devices, to AI.
ASML is likely going to enable technology that no one in the world has even thought of today.
It's not rocket science, it's beyond rocket science.
ASML is a global company in 60 locations in 16 countries.
We're so proud to have these young talents joining us.
It's a playground for any engineering degree.
If you want the opportunity to work on the most advanced machines on the planet, then ASML is the place for you.
Only together we can make the machines that change the world.
Come join us and be part of progress.